Why am I holding a chicken? That is a great question. I'm holding Miss Dixie because today I want to talk to you about how to make an effective hook for your marketing content and for your videos. This is to help grab your audience's attention. So did I grab your attention? I hope so. Before we get started on my tips, I first want to discuss the golden rule of hooks, which is that you have only 5 seconds, that's it, to grab your viewers' attention. This is because people's attention spans are shorter than ever now. Research shows that they actually have an average of about 8 seconds to grab their attention, which I'm guessing is probably less than Miss Dixie. So, what do you need to write a compelling hook and to reel your audience in? Well, first, I want to tell you what is a hook. A hook is the thing that is going to grab the reader's or the viewer's attention. It's some sort of big headline, something that's going to shock people, capture them, and create views. So now that you know what the hook is, how can you create an effective one? Well, I'm going to give you 4 ideas. First is be different. You are competing with millions and millions of photos and videos every day on social media. So you need to find a way to stand out from everyone else. Second is have a polarizing message. Say something that shocks or surprises your audience, like a chicken, but in a good way. Third is reject conformity. You don't want to run a marketing campaign that has the same message as everyone else, or your hook won't stand out. And fourth is be authentic. Don't create a hook that isn't real or lie about your opinions, because this is only going to create short-term success and you are in it for the long run. Now, I also want to give you 8 different kinds of specific hooks that you can try to use that will help entice and grab your audience's attention. There are 8 things. First is start with a fascinating fact. Maybe start with a what if statement. Maybe surprise them with something unexpected or a special effect. You can cut right to the chase. Start with a problem, but also offer a solution. Open with a joke, ask a question, or share a quote, or hint at a story. So now that you know exactly what a hook is, as well as when you might need it, and most importantly, how to create one and get your audience engaged. So start using hooks today. If you want to learn more, reach out and we would be happy to help. Say bye, Dixie.